Hey, good afternoon, YouTube. Quick little update for you. 1,100 miles on the T7, brand new clutch. So for anybody that has a 2024 Yamaha T7 and you're experiencing things like pulling the clutch in while it's in gear and starting it, and the bike lunges forward, or you have inconsistent shifts, or inconsistency in where your clutch lets out, call your local dealership, because rumor has it that the clutch plates had this film or whatever they called it on them from the factory, which was causing issues. I was told they're expecting a recall here anytime, but I took it down to my local dealership, shout out to Pro Caliber, and told them what was going on. Didn't even question it. They ordered me a clutch, put it under warranty, and it is a night and day difference. So for anybody that has one of these bikes and you're like, man, the clutch does not feel right, that's what it could definitely be. And it only has, I believe, 1,100 miles on it. 1161. So something to burn myself on the exhaust. That was fun. Something to take note of. 2024 Yamaha 10RA 700. If your clutch doesn't feel right, if it lunges when you try to start it in first gear with the clutch pulled in, that's not normal. Give your dealership a call and tell them what's going on, and hopefully they treat you as good as I was treated. No questions asked. New clutch installed. It rides awesome. No more inconsistencies. Another thing was, if you were in first gear with the motor off, pull the clutch in to try to push the bike, it wouldn't move. Now it actually acts like the clutch is pulled in and you can freewheel it. So again, little pointer for anybody with the Yamaha T7 2024. Good luck.